Hi everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're going to continue with the study of the book In the Garden of Faith of Ravi Arush. How to make the right decisions in your life. When do you bear the burden of life without restlessness? Only when you have the two aspects of the faith, and if not, this world can become hell. If you are constantly complaining and you look for the wrong in everything, you will be bitter and dissatisfied. And that will take you to the hell of sadness and anger. But we have to take the study to practice so your life can be joyful. Remember, joy is the start of the free will. Because if you choose with a negative emotion, you will choose wrong, because the bad inclination will influence on you. We can divide the free will in two parts. Number one, you choose to be happy or not to be happy. Number two, the right decision will only come if you are happy. If you are sad, you lose the free will because you're only gonna have one choice, and that's gonna be the wrong one. The Creator abandons man when he is sad because you abandon God first. Then the law of what you give is what you get gets active. If you are sad, make anything to get happy. Even if it's a foolish thing, just do not stay angry or sad for a long time. And that will take you later to something more profound to stay happy. Never make changes in your life if you are emotionally sad, because the bad inclination will not give you nothing good as a choice. Live your life with joy. If when you are not having problems, you still not happy, imagine when some big problem comes to your life. You will not be able to overcome a big problem. So please try to remember this. This is a homework. Check your mood 3 times a day. That will make you aware, and remember, God is in control and everything is for the good. You can buy something that will put you happy, but it's not going to last that joy for a long time. After that, go to God, pray, and stay close to God. That's the only way you're gonna have true joy. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember to stay happy. Thank you for watching my videos and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.